given 2 points A and B. A is given here, B is given here. Find midpoint of AB. So easily we can find the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? That is, let it be X and Y here. So it will be midpoint X, Y also. Similar way, Y will be equal to Y1 plus Y2 upon 2. So what is Y1? 2 plus minus 4 by 2. So minus 4 plus 2 is what? Minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So we get y2 as y is minus 1 here. Okay. Now we have got x and y of it. Now what do we have to get? We have to get the midpoint of AB we have got. That is minus 2 comma minus 1. Slope of AB. So how do you get the slope? Slope of AB is nothing but m, and that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. What is y2? Minus 4 and minus 2 upon 1 minus 5. Open the bracket. So m here will be equal to minus 4 and minus 2 is minus 6, and 1 plus 6, sorry, 5 here. So that is equal to 5 upon 6 upon minus 6 upon 6 is minus 1. So we have got the slope of this one as minus. With slope of this line is, say, m1 is minus 1. Now we have get the slope of perpendicular to AB. So we have got here, we know that let the slope of the other line be m2. Slope of the line is m2. So we know that m1 into m2 will be minus 1 by the formula perpendicular. So what is m1? m1 is minus 1 into m2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus get 1 can cancel. So we get m2 is equal to 1. So what is the slope of m2? That is equal to 1. Got this now? Now we have to get the equation, the perpendicular bisector of AB. So perpendicular we have got it, and itself is a bisector here. You can see why, because these two lines are equal. These two segments, that is AP is equal to BP. We already know that. And this is a line passing through that P. So this is a perpendicular. So it's a perpendicular bisector. So we have to find the equation of this line here. So how to find the equation of this line? Formula is what? We already have been given 1 point. What is that? Minus 2 comma minus 1. So take any other point in it. Say x and y or x2 y2, whatever you can take. Say x2 y2. Here we have to take x and y here. Why? Because we have to get the equation in x. This is x2 and y2. Okay. So the slope of that line is what? That is 1. We know that m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. What is m? M is 1. So 1 is equal to what? What is y2? Y2 is minus 1 upon minus y. So you can say, or we can take y, okay, minus 1 minus y, and this minus 2 minus x. You can take the minus 1 and 2 common in both of these. So what will happen? If you take it common, then it will be 1 is equal to minus 1 common. So 1 plus y, and here minus 1 common, 2 plus x. So this will get cancelled. So what do we get the equation as? We get the equation as, that is 2 plus x is equal to 1 plus y. And if I solve that here, I will get it as x minus y is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1, or we can say y minus x is equal to 1, right? So this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line here. Fine.